Children, let us continue the settled life of the earliest people. When they settled in one place, the early farmers needed to clear the forests by cutting trees. So they settled in one place. The earliest people became farmers, and they needed to clear the forests by cutting trees and branches. They created a new kind of stone tool which is called neolith. They created a new kind of stone tool. I will show you later in your textbook. That is a stone tool. This is called neolith. The early farmers selected the right kind of stone which was ground on the rocks to give it an axe-like edge. And they make a rock to give an axe-like edge. That picture also I will show you. This axe head was then fixed to a wooden handle and used to cut trees, etc. This axe head was then fixed to a wooden handle. First they prepared a axe head and they fixed that head with wooden handle to cut. They used this to cut the trees. We find that earliest evidence of cultivation of crops from Baluchistan about 10,000 years ago. Earliest evidence of cultivation of crops in Baluchistan, they find the archaeologists 10,000 years ago only. Here that acts like rock and wooden, I will show you in this picture, and the vessel, pot, which was used by the earliest people. See in your textbook page number 53, this is the pot which they used, and these are the roasted grains. These are the roasted grains, remains of food preserved 12,000 years ago. 12,000 years ago food this was. And axe head fixed to a wood excavated at Amarabad, Nagar Karnool district. This was excavated in Amarabad at Nagar Karnool district. This is the rock fixed with a wooden handle. It's look like an axe. This is used to cut the trees and branches. And some stones given here, see, observe these stones, Neolithic stone tools made by grinding stones. These stones are used to grind the grains, pulses, to make some chutneys. Okay, we also use some types of these stones in your houses. Your grandparents used these stones. If you want to know about these stones, you can ask your grandparents or your parents. In some of your houses also have these stones, I think. These stones were excavated in Serupalli, Mahbubnagar districts. Mahbubnagar district, these stones were excavated. These are in Archaeological Museum, Telangana State Archaeological Museum, Hyderabad. If you want to see, you can go and see this in that museum. Okay. Now we find the earliest evidence of cultivation of crops from Baluchistan about 10,000 years ago. Archaeologists found that the earliest people evidence of cultivation, they got the evidence, that means proof, at Baluchistan about 10,000 years ago. In India, there are evidences in Kashmir from around 500 years ago. In India also, there are some evidences about the earliest people from 500 years ago, and in Bihar also some 4 or 5,000 years ago. The earliest evidence of domestication in the Deccan comes from the border of Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. So we can find this domestication evidences where Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka borders. In these states, large mounds of ash were found in a number of places. Large mounds of ash found in these places, in number of places. Archaeologists believe that around 5,000 years ago, hunters of these areas began to raid cattle. archaeologists found that hunters of these areas began to rear cattle. The cattle were pegged in special places where a lot of cow dung was accumulated and dried. This ash, that cattle's dung accumulated and dried and became it ash. They were probably set on fire on festival days, causing the ash mounds. Such as ash mounds are found in Nagar Karnool in our state and Kurnool and Anantapur in AP. We can find that ash mounds in Nagar Karnool in our state and Kurnool in Anantapuram, AP state. Along with cow dung ash, Neolithic stone axes. Already I showed you stone axe. Stone blades and rudimentary handmade pots were also found in that Nagar Karnool and Kurnool districts. After a few thousand years, many of these people also started cultivating crops and settling down in villages. The evidences shows this, that the farmers, after thousands of years, many of the farmers started cultivating crops and settled there. Neolithic period in Telangana. Number of Neolithic sites have been found in Warangal rural, Warangal urban, Janagaon, Jaishankar, Siddipet, Nagar Karnool, Mehboob Nagar, Karim Nagar and Adilabad districts. Neolithic sites are seen in these districts and ground stone tools also have been collected in these districts, which I was explained. The excavations at Polakunda in Warangal district have brought to light a heart of burnt clay along with a large number of microliths, handmade pots and jars for storing grains. In Warangal district's Polkonda, some of the excavations found jars of storing grains. Some of the jars, handmade pots, microliths are found at Polkonda in Warangal district. People seem to have lived here about 3,300 years ago. So these excavators found that people lived 3,300 years ago back. They lived in that region. Okay, children. In this lesson, lesson 6, the earliest people, you learned about the earliest people from gathering food to growing food. Okay, I think you are all learned, listened carefully about these points. Remember that once again and answer the questions which you have in the boxes. Okay, now lesson 6 is completed.